Meaning of gorp.
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 Gorp. Gorp is a noun that refers to a type of trail mix commonly eaten by hikers and outdoor enthusiasts. It typically consists of nuts, seeds, dried fruits, and sometimes chocolate or candy pieces. The name gorp is thought to stand for good old raisins and peanuts, or granola, oats, raisins, and peanuts. Gorp is a convenient and portable source of energy and nutrients for people on the go, especially those engaged in physical activity. It's often enjoyed as a snack during hikes, camping trips, and other outdoor adventures.